50,000 subscribers? How is that possible? What just happened here? Wasn't it just a year ago, last July of 2018, at Oshkosh when I was giving away the 15,000 subscriber giveaway? And all of a sudden, less than a year later, we're now up to 50,000 subscribers. Whatever we're doing, all of us. It's not just me and this beautiful bird, but you guys as well. We're doing something right. And that's why I'm going to reward you all by giving away my 50,000 subscriber giveaway.
Hi, is this yours? I believe it's yours. Yeah. You know, it's getting really well. I'm gonna go.
That was odd. Whose cue was that? Anyway, I don't know. We got a box here. What is this? Let's see what that is. Huh. What is that?
Daddy, what you got there?
Hi. I don't know. A mystery box or something.
How we open it?
Good idea. So the best way I can thank you guys for this amazing, incredible goal that we have achieved, 50,000 subscribers. The best thing I could think of about thanking you was to actually give us something away. And this year we're going to be giving away a couple things. First of all, a beautiful brand new GoPro 7 Hero Black that is provided by GoPro themselves. Thank you guys at GoPro for your contribution here. This is great stuff. And also, the second pick, the second winner is going to be receiving this Flight Gear HP iPad bag brought to us by Lone Mountain Aircraft. Lone Mountain Aircraft is a great company to work with if you're looking for a used aircraft, if you want to sell yours, if you want to buy a used airplane. They're specialized in services, but also they have all sorts of airplanes available. They're an amazing brokerage firm, great people to work with, and they know the business. So they have made this available. This is a great bag for your gear, whether you have your iPad or you want to put your headset in there, radios. It also has a strap, so you can actually, a shoulder strap, and it's good stuff. So $70 value right here, and this will help you get organized, even possibly help you put in your GoPro gear in it. So guys, thank you for all that. Thank you for what you've done for this channel. That's what keeps me going every single day, to go fly and create those adventures and edit them and put the work together. But you guys helped me quite a bit. You are the driving force behind this whole thing. So all of us together, we're getting this channel moving. And this is my little thank you back to the community that is actually helping grow this channel. Thank you again. Look at the links below on how to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Let's boom it even bigger, and share with your friends, family. Have them watch your favorite video, and have them also subscribe to the channel and give those likes and subscribes, and that's what keeps us going here. So again, thank you guys, and good luck, and hope to see you soon on another episode by Niko's Wings.